Greetings, my name is Ember Payet. I am 11 years old. I live at Perseverance 1 and I go to school at the Perseverance North Primary. I enjoy reading, drawing, playing games on my phone, and hanging out with my elder brother. I consider myself so lucky to be an islander. To be a citizen of a state paradise like Seychelles is a privilege many people around the world would love to have. One of the good things about living in a small island state is that it's like living in a big community where we all know each other, and some way and somehow we are all connected by blood or friendship. Women in Seychelles are in the forefront of the development of our beautiful country. We have 5 women ministers, many women principal secretaries, members of the parliament, directors and CEOs, and so on. For all the girls growing up aspiring to be the leaders of our country, the opportunity is there. I would have liked to say my beautiful country is perfect. But alas, like many other states, Seychelles have not been spared from the monster known as drugs. Drugs are affecting my country's teenagers, and girls are not spared from it. Young girls who could be tomorrow's leaders are dropping out of school and turning into prostitution because of drugs. And thus begins the vicious cycle. If I were to become the SIDS ambassador for my country, I would let the girls know that drugs is a monster that will destroy them and their health. I will help by organizing programs that will help them get off drugs. And for young girls who have not yet used drugs, I will help them by organizing programs, help them to say no and to stay as far away from this monster as possible. I will help in organizing activities to empower young girls to develop their potentials, find out what they are good at, and keep at it. I will help in making programs to educate young girls to respect themselves and their bodies, to groom them to be future leaders of our beautiful God-given country.